want to use completing the square method to solve this question. And you look at this question, it is very, very familiar because when we were dealing with factorization method, we did the question like this and we were able to get the values of x. Now, if you are able to use completing the square method and you are able to get the same answer when you use factorization method, then it means that what you have solved is very, very correct. But if you are able to get different answer, then what you have solved is very, very wrong. You have to check both sides. Either it comes from factorization method or comes from the completing the square method. You must make sure that both answers are the same. Now, we want to use completing the square method to solve this question if we are going to get the same answer when we use factorization method. We have the x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Now, since the coefficient of this your x squared here it is 1, then you don't have to divide all through again, because if you divide all through, you will still derive at this. So you don't have to divide all through again because the coefficient of x squared is 1. Now what you are going to do is you are going to transfer this 6 to the other side. So it will now be what? X squared plus 5x equals to minus 6. It will give us 0 minus 6. So 0 minus 6 will give us what? Minus 6. That's how we are able to get minus 6. Now, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to divide the coefficient of x by 5. You square it and add it to both sides. Now, we are dividing the coefficient of x by 5. No, sorry, by 2. It's not by 5. By 2. We are adding the coefficient of x by 2, square it and add it to both sides. Now, the coefficient of x here, it is what? It is 5. So we have what? We have the 5 divided by what? 2. Then we have the what? We have the square. You see the same thing as you saying that what? 5 over 2. Then we have our what? We have square. Now if you have something like this, then you are going to add it to both sides. So it's now be what? X squared plus 5x, then plus 5 over 2 square equals to minus 6 plus 5 over 2 square. Very, very simple. Now when you have something like this x squared, you have to pick one out of it and you have to pick one out of it, then you square it. So it's now be what? X plus 5 over 2 then square equals to minus 6 plus 5 squared is 25, then 2 squared it is what? 4. Told you this square is for both 5 and 2. So 5 squared is 5 times 5, which should give us 25, while 2 squared it is 2 times 3, which should give us 4. Now, since we have x plus 5 over 2 square equals to minus 6 plus 25 over 4. You can collect like terms. This will give us 4. Now, that is 4 in 1. That is 1 in 4, rather it is what? 4. Then 4 times minus 6 will give us minus 24 plus 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 25 will give us 25. You have to put this x plus 5 over 2 squared. Now, so we now have x plus 5 over 2 then square equals to minus 25 plus 25 will give us 1. Then we have 1 over 4. Now what I'm going to do here is you are going to what? Square root both sides. We'll square root both sides. So it will now be x plus 5 over 2 then you have square. Don't forget your plus or minus. You have to put your plus or minus. Plus or minus, then you have root 1 over 4. Now, this is your square here. We eliminate the square root. So we now have what? X plus 5 over 2 equals to plus or minus. Now, this square root is for both. Now, square root of 1 is still 1 over the square root of 4 will give us 2. Then you can collect like terms. So it now be x equals to 1 over 2 plus or minus 5 over 2. Very, very simple. Or if you want to write it like this, you can say that x equals to minus 5 over 2 plus or minus 1 over 2. Now let's continue. So what you are going to do is you are going to collect, you are finding the LCM. Now the LCM of 2 and 2, it is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times minus 5 will give us minus 5. Then we have plus or minus. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1. Then we have x equals to minus 5. Now you can find minus 5 plus or minus 1. So what we are going to do is that we are going to split it. So it will now be minus 5 plus 1 over 2 or minus 5 minus 1 over 2. Very simple. Then you have x equals to minus 5 plus 1 will give us minus 4 over 2 or minus 6 over 2. 2 in 4 it is 2. 2 in 6 it is 3. Then we have x equals to minus 2 or x equals to minus 3. Now you can see we have something like this: 3x squared minus 8x plus 5 equals to 0. You can see that this question is different from the first question. The first question, the coefficient of x squared it is 1, but why this question, the coefficient of x squared it is 3. Now the first thing you are going to do is, since we are using the completing the square method, the first step we are taking is we are dividing all through by the coefficient of x squared, so that we are going to eliminate this coefficient of x squared here. Now divide all through by the coefficient of x squared. Now since we have 3x squared minus 8x plus 4 equals to 0, then we are dividing all through, that is over 3 over 3 over 3 then over 3. Now this 3 cancel 3 here, then we are now left with what? X squared minus 8 over 3x plus 4 over 3 equals to 0. Now this 4 over 3, take it to the other side, it will give us x squared minus 8 over 3x equals to minus 4 over 3. Now the second one is we are dividing the coefficient of x. Divide the coefficient of x by 2, square it and add it to both sides. Now the coefficient of x here is minus 8 over 3. Now we are dividing it by 2. That is divided by 2, then we will square it. So since we have over 1 here, it now be equals to minus 8 over 3 times 1 over 2, then we will square it. Then we have equals to minus 8 over 6. You can cut it, that is 3, then we have 4. Then it will give us minus 4 over 3 squared. Now you can see we have what? Minus 4 over 3 squared. So we are going to add it to both sides. So we have x squared minus 8 over 3x plus minus 4 over 3 squared equals to minus 4 over 3 plus minus 4 over 3 squared. Very simple. Now we'll pick one x and we'll pick one out of this. So it will now give us x, this is minus 4 over 3 then square equals to minus 4 over 3 plus, now minus 4 square will give us 16 over the 3 square will give us 9. Now since we have something like this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the LCM. We have the x minus 4 over 3 square equals to, now LCM is 9. Now 3 in 9 is 3 times minus 4 will give us minus 12 plus 9 in 9 is 1 times 16 will give us 16. Now we have x minus 4 over 3 square equals to 4 over 9. Now what we are going to do, we are going to square root both sides. So we have our square root, that's x minus 4 over 3 square equals to plus or minus root 4 over 9. Now this square, we eliminate this square root here, so we are left with x minus 4 over 3 equals to plus or minus, the square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. Now since we have something like this, we have x minus 4 over 3 equals to plus or minus 2 over 3. So collect like terms. Now x is equals to, you know this is minus, to change to plus, that is 4 over 3 plus or minus 2 over 3. Then LCM it is 3. So we have 4 plus or minus 2. We all know how we got this. Now since you have plus or minus, so it's telling us that it means x is equals to 4 plus 2 over 3, or x is equals to 4 minus 2 over 3. So we have x equals to 4 plus 2, that's 6 over 3, or x equals to 2 over 3. Now we have gotten this 2 over 3. Then 3 here 1, 3 in 6 is 2. So we have x equals to 2, or x equals to 2 over 3. Very, very simple. Lastly, there are some questions to be given in which you will have to rearrange it. And if you want to rearrange it, you must rearrange it in this form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Though you can start solving from there without rearranging, but just for you to get it better, or you should know what you're doing, you can just rearrange it in this form, then you start. For example, now if you have minus 4 equals to minus x squared plus 5x, you can start solving like this, nothing disturb you. So you can just have what, minus x squared plus 5x equals to what, minus 4. You can divide all through. You divide all through because this minus is already disturbing it. You can just see that what, minus 1, then minus 1. This minus cancel minus, then you have x squared minus 5x equals to 4. Then you can now say that we'll divide the coefficient of x and so on and so forth. It's very okay. But you can put it in this form also by saying that what, minus x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals to what, is 0. We have to eliminate this minus. Then minus 1 equals into bracket x squared. Then you have minus 5x. Then you have plus 4. Okay, minus 4 equals to what, 0. Then it will give us x squared minus 5x minus 4 equals to 0. We have already rearranged it to this one, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is very, very simple. So you can just start with solving by using any method you like.